Playing and earning cash at the same time was once a fantasy that every kid dreamt of. Well, maybe not just kids, it's also the dream of young adults. In this day and age, as technology progresses, it has become a reality. With the help of these NFT and crypto games, people who play them get the chance to earn tokens that can be later on converted into cash. Just thinking about it makes me excited for this video. Now, we have to take note that some of these games require an initial investment for you to be able to play the game. These investments may be NFTs that you would be using inside the game. Let's get right to it and take a look at 5 games that could potentially help you earn a ton of cash. But before that, if you haven't already subscribed to the CryptoLinks channel, please click subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. The first game on the list we have is Mines of Delania. According to their website, Mines of Delania is an action-adventure game. Players mine and combine various in-game items, improving their skills in gear to unlock the MOD universe's secrets while fighting enemies and searching for rare relics and artifacts. Mines of Delania is an exciting play-to-earn game created in the Binance Chain platform. It is the 23rd project of the Binance Launch Pool project. The objective of this game is for the players to collect resources, mine, and engage with the fun guests they offer. In this game, there are 4 types of terrain where players could mine and fight monsters. They are Darkness, Ice, Lana, and Terra. There are 2 ways for you to play this game and earn both ways. You can either be a miner or a landowner. As a miner, players are given the privilege to play for free by using free-to-play packages. The basic equipment provided for all the packages is oxygen and pickaxe. Some mines, however, may require specific types of equipment that are not available in the free-to-play packages. So somewhere along the way, you might actually be required to buy some packages. There are also limited packages that will not be available for everyone unless you are quick enough to purchase one. As a miner, you will be paid via resources, equipment, and minerals that serve as NFTs of the game. The second way you can play this game is by being a landowner. To become a landowner, you will need to purchase land, obviously, by using the native token of the game DAR. As a landowner, you can sell your land in exchange for minerals and equipment with an equivalent value. Another way to earn is by renting out your land to miners, and by doing this, landowners can get additional rewards. As of shooting this video, DAR, the currency of the game, is priced to $1, while its all-time high in November reached at least $4.5. The second game on the list is Townstar. Have you ever played Farmville, the super hyped up game inside Facebook in the year? Townstar is essentially like that game. Actually, Zynga, the company that founded Farmville, was also one of the co-founders of this game. It is a competitive farming game that lets you earn town coins as a reward. Townstar is a free-to-play farming game. The goal is to be able to sell your goods like wheat or logs to the nearest town. Upon starting the game, you will need to choose a land in the world. Yes, you heard it. The lands actually represent the map of the world. Naturally, the best place to choose your land is near a town and near the shore. To actually earn from this game, you will need to purchase an NFT. These NFTs will help you earn town coins. You will need to sell your goods to be able to earn 1,000 stars, which will then equate to town coins that equate to how many NFTs you have purchased. NFTs are like machinery in the farm to actually boost production work. Naturally, the more NFTs you purchase, the more your earnings are. You can go to their marketplace and see how much NFTs are worth. Town coins are currently priced at around $0.3, with an all-time high in November of around $2. The third game on the list is Crypto Cars. If you're a fan of cars, then this is a perfect game for you. To be able to play this game, you will need a MetaMask wallet in order to purchase CCAR tokens. This token is what you will use to purchase your own car. If you own fewer than 2 cars, you are given the privilege to buy a blind box, which will cost you 600 CCAR. When you buy the blind box, you have 10% chance of getting a rare car. Isn't that amazing? The objective of the game is to race 4 other cars and be rewarded depending on your rankings. Every place you get has a reward. It's like preschool, where basically everyone gets a reward. Right now, CCAR coins are at a price of $0.03, with an all-time high of around $1.6 in November. The fourth game is Farmer's World. This is another farming game that a lot of you will surely love. Farmer's World is one of the fastest growing NFT games available for you to play and earn today. It focuses on you having to mine gold, fish for food, do logging to get wood, and breed animals. To be able to play this game, you will be needing a Wax wallet. You will need to have Wax tokens to buy NFTs for you to play. These NFTs are the axes, fishing rods, excavators, and a lot more. You can check out their website to see other NFTs that you might like. This game just released a new feature, which are raising farm animals, cultivating crops, and building a farmhouse. These updates just made the game more exciting and profitable. The way you profit in this game is by selling the NFTs you collect in the game. You could sell a calf that you have bred or sell the axe you just crafted. When you go to Atomic Hub, you can see the prices of the NFTs that are currently selling. Also, on their website, you will see that there will be ancient drops that are coming soon, so be sure not to miss them out. The last game of the list will be exciting to Yu-Gi-Oh! And Vanguard fanboys as it is quite similar. It's called Splinterlands. This game is built upon the Ethereum blockchain. It uses SBS tokens as its governance token and DEC, or Dark Energy Crystals token, as its native token. Splinterlands is an exciting game of cards that you can use to battle other players. These cards are the NFTs of this game. The game has an auto battle system, which means all you need to do is to make sure you have a strong set of cards and let the system battle. There are 3 ways of earning in this game. First, we have buying and selling NFTs. Like any other NFT game, NFTs go up in price when they are rare and when the demand is high. You can look for a card that sells low and buy it, and in the future, when the demand is high, you can sell it for profit. The second way is through battling. This, I think, is the most fun way of earning. When you battle other players, you can earn DEC tokens when you win. Obviously, the higher your rank is, the more DEC tokens you get when you win. The third way is through staking. To be able to stake, you need DEC tokens and cards. When you have a lot of these, you can stake them and be able to earn SBS tokens via airdrop. We are still in the early part of cryptocurrency gaming. These games are a great way to showcase what the future holds. In the future, NFTs will reach mainstream of gaming and might even reach the most famous franchises that we love to play. These games are just 5 of many games that could potentially earn you cash and have fun at the same time. But remember, we are not forcing you to invest in these projects. Always remember to invest at your own risk and do your own research, as every investment carries its own risk. It's your job to reduce it and cope with your risk appetite. That is all for this video. Thanks for watching. Until next time, and keep investing wisely.